today. Welcome to Gigi Law's Kitchen. Today I'm making kwa pak tongok. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have like stir-fried pork belly with tofu and bean sprouts, okay? And this is kind of like pak kasai, na, หรือว่า pak pan, okay? Stir them together, okay? And look at my ingredient. What I have here, I have fish sauce, and this is a seasoning sauce, okay? It's not soy sauce, okay? A lot of people confuse, but you make sure it's a seasoning sauce, okay? And then you're gonna use chicken flavor or chicken bouillon, okay? And then I have a vegetable oil and sugar, and this all three ingredients we have it here, okay? And then I have a pork belly here. You can like find a good pork belly, okay? See, it's very nice, and tofu is already fried for me, okay? So I'm ready to cook. Let's cook with me. You know, I'm not gonna take it easy on this one. I have them in my backyard, okay? From my garden, so I love this stuff. And home. And it's good for your health too, they said. Have to find out on that one. They know. Okay. So I like to use tomato, and some people don't like tomato. You don't have to use it, okay? And it's optional, basically. You know, some people just like just bean sprouts and this vegetable. Okay, you want to smack the garlic and chop a little bit, okay? That's just right. See, they cut in, they come like this, okay? So I cut in half. I like my big piece. Slide the pork belly like about this size, okay? And my knife is pretty sharp, but you know, anytime you work with the pork, it seems like it's not cut fast enough. Just take time. Okay, let's start cooking, okay? And see what I cut all my ingredients here. I chop my garlic in the small pieces, and I also cut my tofu into the pieces, and then slide the pork belly, and then I go ahead cut my Chinese chive, okay, and bean sprouts already rinsed, and my tomato, and I get all my ingredients. Let's turn on the heat, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead add the vegetable oil first, even though that I knew that pork belly have a lot of you know, fat in it, but you still need the oil to start that, you know, keep like crispy a little bit, okay? Start with. ถึงว่าyou know หมูสามสั้นมันจะมีน้ำมันอยู่แล้วแต่ว่าเขาก็ต้องซอยกระตุ้นน้ำมันมาหน่อยหนึ่งเนาะเอาน้ำมัน vegetable oil นะมาใส่เพิ่มให้มันคลุกไว้เนาะ Okay, you see how the garlic is start cooking like light brown also, and then go ahead put the tofu. Add the tofu to it. the pork belly is kind of crispy, garlic, everything cooked. Tofu is like preheat already. Then you put seasoning salt, okay? I mean chicken flavor, sugar, add all your seasoning. Add all your seasoning in. Home. Smell good. Make me hungry now, guys. Look at that beautiful color. She's some yum. Stir real good, okay? Make sure they mix well. Okay. ขวดทองงอกแล้วเป็นตะแซ่บเนาะปลาไปจัดถ้วยน้ำกันแบบนี้นะ Okay guys let's go eat ขวดพักแล้ว come on let's go eat หอม let's go มากินข้าวน้ำกัน come on guys eat with me okay we have the stir fry very good easy and simple and it's very healthy too okay and then I have a hot sauce lots of pepper there guys so good very spicy. Woo, spicy 1 to 10 is 10 look at thatใช่ไหมลาดไปมองถึงข้าวมุ้งด่านมุ้งถึงข้าวI love the pork belly ครับ I เอาผู้ก็ต้องโตน้องแก้วค่ะมันแซ่บเนาะถูกใจหมักเผ็ดเด้น้องเด็กกินแล้วก็จะอาหารแบบง่ายๆเนาะEasy dinner for me. Hip. Sap. This sauce is very spicy, but it's so good. I cannot even stop. Okay, so try to make this food. Okay, it's very easy and simple, and they are very healthy too. Okay. Alright, guys, and thank you for watching, and I see you next video. Just subscribe and follow me. Okay. ขอบใจหลายๆเด้อ Bye. ลาก่อน Bye bye.